Do you think picking harder makes you play faster? It actually does the opposite. Let me show you. The note becomes harsh, the movement feels heavy, and it's much harder to play fast. Many guitarists believe that picking harder creates more speed or power, but in reality, using more force than necessary only slows you down. It creates unnecessary tension, tires your muscle faster, and makes it harder to play for long periods. Today's goal is just simple. Use only the amount of force needed to produce a clean note. Let's start on a single string. Begin slowly with relaxed alternate picking. As you gradually increase the tempo, keep the same light and controlled picking attack. The speed changes, your picking pressure doesn't. Now compare that with this. The notes become rough. Your hand gets tired much faster, and keeping the rhythm consistent becomes much more difficult. Use your metronome. Practice steady alternate picking on a metronome. Practice steady alternate picking on one string. Focus on keeping the same relaxed picking pressure on every note. Don't try to hit the string harder as the tempo increased. Stay relaxed, stay consistent. Face accurate guitar playing doesn't come from hitting the string harder. It comes from staying relaxed and using only the force you need. The smoother your picking attack becomes, the longer, clear, and more effortless your playing will feel.